So if you're following along with the blog post, we have our foundation of 20 now, and we're going to start our sampler. So what I want you to do is you're going to chain 1, and we're going to do our first single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. So I'm going to get closer for you here. See right here, here is the first stitch, here is the second stitch. We're going to put our hook in there. Okay, then we're going to wrap it around the wool, yarn around hook like that, yarn around hook again, through. Okay, so now we're going to look at the next stitch, which is right here. Insert it, yarn around hook, pull through, yarn around hook, pull through. Okay, you keep doing that. Yarn around hook, pull through. Now I want you to keep practicing that for 2 rows. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1, turn it around and work back the way you came. Okay, so I want you to work 2 rows just like this. So that's a single crochet. So when you hit the end of your row, I want you to chain 1, so wrap it around and pull it through. Then you're going to turn it over, and you're going to start in the first chain with the first stitch on the way back. On this, so you got the one that the crochet's in, which is right here. Then you're going to start in right at this one, right there. Right there. Okay, and I want you to finish a whole second row all the way down, all the way back, or do as many rows as you want until you feel comfortable with it. Okay, so that's your single crochet.